Hey guys, I'm Peter Rocks and you're watching Cyber Nation. In this video, I'm gonna discuss about steganography, types of steganography, history of steganography, and various uses of it in various fields. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to perform steganography practically in Windows OS. I'll be preparing videos for various OSs in some later versions of this. So for now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Here it is, Steganography, the art of secrecy, a presentation by me for the channel Cyber Nation. Let's move on to the next page. So first of all, let us discuss what is steganography. Steganography can be an art, method, process of hiding messages in a normal forms. So in order to ensure that the secret message has reached the right person rather than get leaked by any kind of hacker or any mediator. Here you can see that steganography has been derived of two words. Stegno means covering or protecting, whereas graphy means writing. So in this page we have learned what is steganography and how it protects your privacy. Let's move on to the next page. So now the question arises, why do we even need steganography? We can even use cryptographic methods. Don't worry, I'll make a separate video on that. What is cryptography and all. Stegno is really different from cryptography, first of all. And secondly, steganography doesn't encrypt anything. The only thing it does is hide a message behind any normal form like text, image, video, audio, protocol. We will discuss all about it in this video. And yeah, one more thing, steganography doesn't mean that it doesn't encrypt anything. Well, you can encrypt in steganography to meet the double security needs, and still cryptography is like decrypting and encrypting something. Steganography includes messaging, includes transfer of secret messages from here to there, but cryptography involves encryption and decryption, attacks like brute forcing dictionary attack on encrypted material to decrypt it using various phrases, variables, etc. Later. For now, just have a look at it. Why do we one sec, let me choose my pen. Why do we even need steganography? Well, many a times we need to send messages that are meant to a particular person or organization, and in order to hide the message to get into the hands of any hacker or any cybersecurity expert, we usually use steganography to hide the message. And here are some examples for steganography. Like, we use steganography in higher corporations like United Nations, or in mostly every hacking group use steganography to transfer information from here to there. Steganography isn't a new concept. Okay, so here we will read about a bit of history regarding steganography. The traces of stegno can be found in as early as 440 BC, a boring story with history of emperors and dictators. Though stego is not limited to technical stuff only, the messages written with an invisible ink is also considered as stego, but that is not a part of our discussion. And yeah, that's true, because stego has been used since 440 BC. It means kings, rulers often use steganography to pass on messages from here to there secretly, rather than other kingdoms got to know about their messages or chats. Let's go ahead. Types of steganography and stego systems. Okay, so I want you to focus over here because this is the main page, as our main concern is related to technology. So first of all, let's go ahead with stego system and types. Pure stego system, secret key stego system, public key stego system. These are the major types of stego systems. What is pure stego system? Well, it is a type of stego system in which no key is used, only a simple secret message has been hidden behind its normal form. In security stego systems, is first of all the secret message is encrypted with a key, and then we hide the secret message behind normal form. Public key stego systems. Well, they are same as secret key stego systems in using a secret key to encrypt the secret message, um, but they generally require a software to encrypt and decrypt the secret message, as every software uses an unique algorithm for encrypting and decrypting their files. Usually in public key stego systems, first of all, a secret message is being encrypted using a software with a particular key, and then we hide the secret encrypted code behind any normal form. Then that normal form is sent to the receiver. It first of all finds the code from the normal form and then put it in the software, then decrypt it using the same key through the software. I'll be making a separate video for public stable systems because this is really important for me. I always use public stable systems. Okay, so let's come to stenography types. Well, there are 5 major types of stenography: text, image, audio, video, and protocol. In text stenography, a secret message is hidden behind a text or any form of text like paragraph, essay, phrase, anything. Similarly, in image, audio, and video stenography, the secret message is being hidden behind them. Well, I want to discuss with you protocol stenography. Well, in this type of stenography, the secret message is being transferred through the TCP IP layer. Well, I hope that you know about TCP IP layer if you ever heard about OSI model. Well, don't worry if you don't know about OSI model, I will make a separate video for that. But for now, keep in mind TCP IP is a layer in OSI model in which your data travels from your computer to the network. Okay, so on this page, these are some extra shots uh, regarding illegal side of steganography. Well, as you know that our aspects are to cover both legal and unethical side, so I just thought to let you know how stenography can be used illegally. Here are the points. Steganography is often used by black hats to share some private info across the web. Private info across the web means dark web. It is a medium of telecommunicating for drug dealers and gun suppliers with their clients to import and export their product. And you can see over Silk Road and various sites like on dark web that these are common happenings over there. Third, sometimes Tego can be used to leak highly confidential data of governments to hackers without getting caught by the official, as messages can't be read by them. But this is because hackers know what to do with stenography and how to decrypt the code, but the officials might be unaware on how to get these messages safely, and with less security in this conduct may leads to loss of confidential data to hackers. Okay, so this is it. Now let's move on to our practicals. So guys, let's start with the practical. Here you can see that we have an image file and we are gonna insert a secret message inside this image file. So just go to address bar and type cmd, and it will open cmd directly to that folder. And now just type this command: echo space double quotes and write any secret message you wanna give, like close the double quotes, and double arrows, and now put the name of that image file in which you wanna embed this code. In my case, the file is pjrocks.jpg. And then press enter. Here you can see that command has been successfully completed without any errors. So just close the CMD. Now open the image with any notepad editor. And scroll all the way down. Here it is. Subscribe to our channel, Cyber Nation. See, it works. So just close it. And you're ready to go. Here is your image with a secret file name in it, and if you open this, it will look like just an ordinary image. See, isn't it? Just close it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want others to learn, just share this video. If you got any doubts, ask me down in the comment section, and stay tuned, stay updated, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.